Hello everyone, welcome back to my this video. And today I'm very happy to meet you in this video. And today we will learn the continue the next lesson. The next lesson in the previous video we learned the uh, new vocabulary. This resilient, resilient. It's the same meaning with same meaning the like strong white and yeah, okay. And now we are uh, practice the pronunciation. And here now we learn and practice the O L sound. Yeah, you can hear. Here are the five sentences to help you perfect the L O O O O O sound. Yeah, okay. Wait for me. And I now you can see my full screen. Okay, I open this. The mouth shape. No, mouth shape. Yeah. Oh, the look. Okay. Oh, I don't remember. So let's see. In English, okay. The tongue is the food. The tongue all come and yeah. Pull up, pull up to touch the upper jaw. Okay. Pull up, pull up to top. Oh, here you can see on my screen. The tongue is curved up to top in the mouth. Yeah. And yeah. This is the mouth stretch. You can follow it. You can follow this to practice this sound. And now we are paying attention the uh practice but through the sentences. Okay. And now here you can hear I focus on the five sentences is the include the L sound. And yeah, well, the L sound is the have to choose the two persons is top is the front of the word and right of the word. I think if you so L L is the startup it is if it is the first the first the first character of the word is very easy to pronounce. But is the end of the word. The L is the end of the word is very difficult. You can oh you can turn a verb up to top the mouth. Okay. Lisa loves learning new languages. Larry left his lunch on the table. 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 Okay. The light in the library was lovely. Lovely. Lucy. Lucy plans to leave for London soon. They look for lilies along the lake. The lake. I think this the five stances is the assuming the law. All is the start of the word. It's very easy to pronounce, and I think uh, additionally you can learn and practice another sound in IPA. You can search with the IPA Rest to the in the Google or another browser. Yeah, this the 44 styles. You can you rest, practice and learn. I think if you learn all of this sounds it's very useful and it's very better for you. It's you can burn out is very nice for you. Okay, thank you for watching. This is my share for you. Okay, bye bye. See you next time.